Another very common mistake that people make when they speak English is they often misuse very much and a lot. Are they the same? Are they synonyms? Is there a clear distinction between them? Stick with me and I'll tell you everything you have to know. The meaning of a lot and very much is almost the same at first glance. They both mean a large amount. However, a lot is quantitative, which means we can replace it with a number. For example, she eats a lot. We can measure the amount of food she eats either in pounds or in kilograms, or in any other way. For example, she eats 5 meals a day. 5 meals a day is the quantity, the amount of food she eats. It can be measured. He smokes a lot. A lot can be replaced with the number of cigarettes. For example, he smokes 20 cigarettes a day. The amount of cigarettes he smokes every day can be measured, can be quantified. You talk a lot. A lot can be replaced with minutes or hours of talking daily. For example, you talk all the time. So, we use a lot at the end of the sentence or phrase when it can be replaced with a number or amount. Very much is qualitative, and we can't use it to describe amount or number. We use it to describe quality. Usually it means describing your feelings. For example, I love you very much. Love is a feeling. When you are away, I will miss you very much. Miss is also a feeling. I hate this stupid professor very much. Again, hate is a feeling. If you want to make very much even stronger, even more emotional, use so much. I love you so much. I was scared so much. Okay, let's have a small test. Choose the best option. He eats a lot. I like your parents very much. I want to see you very much. I didn't see her a lot when I was in Canada. You spend a lot on alcohol. She sings a lot when taking a bath. Okay, that's it for now. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.